So this is the final look, guys. Today I have this sari of my mom. So I am going to do the jugaad and make my outfit for today. So basics are on. Now I'm going to try this sari. I don't know how it will go, but let's try. These jeans, okay. Now let's make this up, okay. I'll manage it somehow. So now let's wear a bag. So for this, after tying it here, remove that from there, and then I did this, took that tie on here and did this. It looks like this. From back it's like this, For people who want backless outfit, they can wear, but I can't. More of concealer. But lip balm for all glowing place for this. Lipstick more on my lips. Mascara. Eyeliner. I don't have a lip liner, so I'm using my eyeliner. So now lip gloss. That's my lip balm. So now I'll use my stickers here to look kinda what, I don't know. Let's try what these stickers here. Change our earrings and kind of things and accessories. Today I'm going to use this pearl earrings and accessories. Okay, let's change our hairstyle. Today it's like a frock, and for the bottom it's like jeans pant. It's kind of Indo-Western. For that I am going to wear kind of bun, kinda. So this is the final look, guys. So guys, this is for day 13. Let's see what's more jugaad in day 14. So thank you for everyone for watching. Thank you so much. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you. Keep supporting me. Thank you.